Hello guys, in this video I will actually show you a free AI coder which is released by this company Qwen AI, which is a Chinese based AI model. So it's completely free to build out complete applications from prompts. So if you go to their Qwen AI website, this is their official website qwen.ai, and right here if you simply try the Qwen Studio, simply go to chat.qwen.ai. So their latest model Qwen 3.6 plus, it's completely free and unlimited. And there is this, if you check the sidebar section, this is a simple chatting bot, but specifically for developers and programmers, they have released this Qwen coder. Directly, if you see in the sidebar section, it's called as Qwen coder. If you click on that, the address will change. It will simply now say coder.qwen.ai. So this AI bot is completely unlimited. So for this you need to connect your GitHub account. Inside this I've already done that. So you can see that my GitHub account is already connected. So it helps you write the code and seamlessly export it directly to GitHub. So Qwen Coder, you can generate documentation, you can debug your code, you can write full stack coding application and then export to GitHub. And if you do want to connect this, you click the environment button. So as you see, you click on the add environment button. First of all, it will say you to connect your GitHub account. I have already done that. You can see that my GitHub account is connected, and from here you select whatever repository that you want to select from here. As you see, all your GitHub repos will come directly, and so if I select this GitHub repo and click on submit, and just I've already selected this, so you can see that now if you go to the bot, from here you select your GitHub repo, whatever GitHub repo that you want to select. So let me select this. So after that, now you can actually ask anything related to this GitHub repo, and you can even simply, I will say, please give a description of what the GitHub repo source code. So as you can see, I am simply ask a question, and first of all, it will read all the contents related to this GitHub repo. It will have its own editor. If you see on the right hand side, it is initializing the shell, the terminal. It has its own terminal, so it will go into this GitHub repo, initialize it, just see all the files which are there, as you can see right here, and then it will give you a nice little description related to this GitHub repo. You can see that the GitHub repo contain a video to give converter web application. Here's a summary. So each and every file it actually scans, so it's really fast as well. It's a good alternative to tools like Claude, Codex, which are paid subscription based tools, but this tool is completely free and unlimited. There will be no, so I can simply say please add a image to PDF file and write all the code for image to PDF editor and create this file in this GitHub repo. So now if you want to create additional applications, you simply type the prompt, and now it will automatically create this file image to PDF editor directly. So you can see that now it is now creating this file image to PDF editor. So all the processing happens directly in the browser. You also get the option to publish to GitHub directly. So once you make the changes, you have the publish to GitHub button as well. So it's a really good tool, guys. I'm using it for past 6 months. It's completely free. It's similar to Qwen Code, which is a terminal-based tool, but that is not free. But this tool is completely free. If you come to coder.qwen.ai, it's similar. You just need to connect your GitHub repo. After that, you can create unlimited applications. As you see that we simply write this prompt, and now it is working on this, creating this file for you. So I really like this tool. This tool uses the latest model, Qwen 3.6 model, which is really fast and very efficient in terms of programming and coding. And it really does the job for me. I've created so many applications using this tool. So now you can see it is creating this full file here. I successfully created this image to PDF HTML file in the repository. So it actually built out this file here. The file is available at and can be opened directly in any modern web browser. So now if you see, you have this option publish to GitHub. After that you make the changes. This is the actual file which is created by this GitHub model. As you see that this is the overall file. You can even copy the full code, copy to clipboard as well. But you can see it has built out a complete image to PDF complex application. Almost 700 lines of code is released. So you get also this publish to GitHub button. If I click the button, it will directly publish all the changes to that GitHub repo. So branch update successfully. You can see that now. You can also check out their, if I open my GitHub account to actually check the changes, and you will see that that GitHub repo will be updated. If I open this GitHub repo, you will see that so in this easy way you can see that it automatically generates a code for you and also publish the changes as well. So you can see two files have been created. So in this easy way you can create as many applications. If I want to, let's suppose I say please create PDF editor.html file which have, so you can ask here, please create another file PDF editor, which is a complex PDF editor. So now it will start generating the code for you. Write the code here only so that I can copy the code to clipboard. So you can see that now it is successfully generating the code for you. There will be no restriction, guys, as opposed to other tools such as Claude Code, Codex of OpenAI, which cost you money. But this tool is completely unlimited. You can generate as much unlimited coding applications as you want. And this model is also very powerful, which is Qwen 3.6 model. I really found this tool to be really awesome. Nobody is talking about this tool on YouTube as well. I've checked videos, but nobody has talked about this tool. It has released 6 months ago, and I'm using that tool. So that's why I wanted to create a video so that you guys can also enjoy this tool. So you can just see here how beautifully it is generating the code for you. You can generate in any language, PHP, C Sharp, or React, Vue, Next.js, any framework. Just type the prompt and then the Qwen coder will start preparing that application for you. So So now directly you can control C all, copy all the code, and directly you can just copy this code which is generated, and you can see that open this application, which, so you can see it has created this application for you. So definitely check out this tool, guys, coder.qwen.ai. It's a really tremendous tool for programmers and coders.